Welcome to the Gord Family Adventures. Hello, my name is Moya, and today, guess what? We are unboxing a treadmill. Excitement. So don't watch my bonnet, but come along with us as we set up our treadmill to just get some exercise going. Come along with us. So here we have Andre that is doing the setup for us, the unboxing and the setup for us. So he is basically taking it apart and to just set it up. Work off the belly. Oh, that's at the top part.
Yeah, this is the computer.
Oh, the computer.
Yeah. Okay.
Pause it.
So project. Radio. My gosh, I'm there. They are trying to set up something, Yeah, you want me to shut the back enough you? Are you still guy there? Yeah. Alright, cool.
So why it's so high?
No, this is supposed to go underneath.
You want me here?
Wait, let's see.
A few moments later.
Oh.
Okay.
So we get all of the garbage out of the way. And then the assembly time.
Want to push it close. Maybe this time.
Richard, what's your man belly, yo?
Yeah,
Go on
man.
the treadmill, my youth.
Eh?
Go up on the treadmill, that's right, that beg for mercy.
Yeah, my gosh, yeah, I know.
And
Here you know.
what kind of size right that I'm young shirt, that?
Hey, look so.
Here you know.
That's from when John was a boy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You say that catch up, Chris.
Yeah.
Andrea man, that man muscle shirt.
We can't turn it to him.
Oh,
I want you record mine.
no.
Oh, yeah, no.
I'll try to make content.
Okay.
Alright, so.
It's an EO.
So like an emergency stop, man.
Mm-hmm. Stop, inflate. Okay.
So you go on it. Where you go on?
You're supposed to read the thing.
That's a run. If not read nothing, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to start and on. You have an up and down arrow.
Yeah, it starts. You try mine, you drop out. Cause me tell you, it would have laugh.
What?
You try mine, you drop out. Cause me tell you, it would have laugh.
Hold on, man. Slow down first. Slow down. Okay, so that is the minimum.
Is that prank? Walk before you run.
Road the candle and run so. Everybody that get fit now. Everybody fit now, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so what on that? It the health.
It has inclination.
Yeah.
Where this can
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's good.
Or like you walk on a hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, so give more resistance.
Okay.
Everybody fit that now.
Everybody fit you know.
And what them gonna say, I know. Right, so somebody can go on and know, Andre.
Yeah.
What, no, but our April now. Can take 2 months and get to somebody else. to the zone.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, what I'm saying, feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it does the timer. The supposed to can give you the time as well, right? And the calories and the thing that burn.
Okay.
It tell you on the screen?
Andre, can tell you the calories and stuff for your burn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And your heart rate and all those things.
Your heart rate and everything.
You can connect it via Bluetooth.
Does it plug into your watch?
Yeah, you can connect via Bluetooth.
Nice. Awesome.
Good stuff.
Awesome. So yes, Maya, get your what is that with the name? Get your exercise outfit.
May I have that already, Andre? Carry them up for there.
And get your stuff going.
Yeah.
Yep. So when you start
time.
you can do
Okay.
your next, then the squats.
So we do
Yeah.
distance 7.07, calories 9. Okay, see there? Shirt.
Yeah, burn my youth. Yep.
Let me see.
All the programs,
Yeah.
preset programs they can run to. Yeah, that's good. So like, what's that? F1 or F2? What that?
Oh.
P1, what that's program 1, so you set that. You can just press that button and you get a program.
Well, I'm gonna read the book here now.
Yeah, there are different programs that you can do.
So, yeah.
Seems. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I guess,
Nice.
so this has to be in there in order for you to use it.
So
Yeah.
what's
So without this you can't use
it's
it.
not an emergency stop.
No, so without this it's not gonna work.
Oh, so then is an emergency stop then?
No.
Like if it can run and
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So if you in an emergency, you just pull it out. But then no, if this is going fast, then I don't know that will work.
Test it out, Andre.
No, take out, no.
Andre, put it on the highest thing. No, man, just test one thing on my own.
No.
Test.
Next thing you got drop off, right?
Wow. That is a caring wife, you see? Andre, what you tell me say about Maya now, that care about you?
Yeah. When she ready.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna test it now. So I'm gonna pull it out.
Oh,
Is it a run?
oh
Okay,
no,
so
it's
it come to us.
stop, stop,
yeah.
a slow
It don't
stop.
it don't stop immediately.
To do.
So it comes to a slow stop.
Emergency stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you're running your heart about now?
Yeah, so this is good. This have 12 programs and everything.
Can the arms adjust? The arms where you're holding right, can it adjust?
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, not adjustable.
Yeah, man. It's compact and nice. Can it fold up though and put on that bed and everything?
No, not on the bed. It's not a small one, but and not a big one either.
Oh, it's fold up.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it can conserve some space, but not
You
all
can roll it.
Yeah.
You can roll it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, but where you going to put it? You make it stay right here, sir?
Right here, sir.
No, sir, that they right now walk with this.
Could put it in one of the bedroom.
Can you stay right there so that way it can fold up? You can stay right there so that way
Oh, yeah. That's a back way walking.
No, I mean back way walking.
Oh, like you walk backwards.
No, this is where it's supposed to be. If it's the other way, I would do this.
Never see come see Jesus.
So gym. Nice. Gym, go on, man. Run after the Andrew. Run after the Try no. Run it up. Yeah, man.
come chat no more. It's on the lowest speed.
No, you can't video me.
Why?
I'll look on my clothes.
Oh, then put on clothes.
Put the camera by you. And
Go on, put on your gym stuff and come here.
No, we have to do stuff here.